As you can see, we are on the computer screen. First of all, we write the text. Now we adjust it a little. Next, we go to the Effect Controls panel. Once we're in the Effect Controls, we need to search for the Transform effect. Now, drag the Transform effect onto the text layer. After dragging it, go back to Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the position. Once the position is adjusted, we will duplicate the text layer as many times as we want to animate. After duplicating, go back to the Effects panel and search for the Crop effect. Then drag it onto all the text layers. After dragging the effect, I adjust it according to my preference, but you can also set it based on your own style. Then select the bottommost layer and adjust it using Crop. You can adjust this as per your style, but if you want to do it like I did, that's also great. Now, on the bottom layer, we'll adjust the opacity. Once opacity is set, we'll select the layer, copy all the applied effects, and paste them onto the other layers. Next, we'll adjust the second layer. Next, we'll adjust the second layer. And after that, we'll adjust the third layer in the same way. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button.